This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Larry Hahn. This totally storm-protected condo has a fabulous golf view overlooking the 14th par 3 green. The 3-bedroom/2-bath floor plan provides plenty of room for guests. The kitchen has solid surface Korean countertops, tile backsplash, newer SS appliances and has a great view. The screened lanai and all windows are protected with electric roll-down shutters. Tile on a diagonal runs through the living areas into the lanai. The laundry room has newer West/D. AC new in 2017. The low quarterly dues include building and flood insurance, though no Crown Colony homes had any interior water intrusion, landscape, and water. The included Master Association fee provides 24/7 attended gated access, a community pool, hot tub, 4 True tennis courts, and a well-equipped fitness center open 24/7 plus Comcast fiber optic cable and the Xfinity X1 platform with up to 4 TV/DVR boxes, and high-speed Wi-Fi internet, all part of the dues, over a $700 quarterly value at retail. Crown Colony is a very well-run association. Social or golf membership at the golf club at Crown Colony is totally optional. This was chosen for the 2022 LPGA $1.5 million Drive on Championship, hosting the world's top women golfers. For more information, review the details below or contact Larry Hahn at 239-898-8789.